the day. Nice to see that. Chief Meteorologist Mary Matthews is here now with her forecast. Mary, I have to say the showers last night, even this morning, were so nice to hear and feel.
Yeah, certainly very cleansing. We had a brief little shower here across the Briargate area, north of Colorado Springs. It was about 11, 12 o'clock today, and pretty nice. We've had a few stray clouds across parts of the Palmer Divide. Otherwise, we've continued to kind of clear out this afternoon. Not too bad. You'll kind of notice this northwesterly flow across the state and back up into northern Montana. So we're kind of getting clipped by this system that is bringing a few light showers to the region. Looks a little bit more widespread than it actually is. More of the convection or thunderstorms are off towards the central plains or western sections of Kansas and eastern sections of Colorado. Just a few stray showers we've had moving through parts of the Denver metro area as well. We will continue to be mostly dry for the evening. You'll notice as we roll through early Saturday morning, we have a little bit of cloud cover hanging around the Pikes Peak region, but then we'll wake up to some sunshine and continue with mostly sunny skies for the afternoon hours, with a brief shower or storm becoming likely across parts of the eastern plains and parts of Lincoln County after about 1 o'clock on Saturday. So I think most locations are going to continue to stay dry for Saturday and Sunday. And the big story now is going to be the warming trend ahead. Even by Sunday, we're going to be mostly dry, and temperatures are going to be soaring into the 60s and 70s across most of the region. We'll be in the 50s across the local mountain cities and parts of Teller County. So it's going to be a really nice day on Saturday. Temperatures in the 50s for Woodland Park and into the 20s there for Pikes Peak. So maybe a mountaintop to avoid there for Saturday, but the 50s and 60s across most of the lower terrain areas. Notice as we roll through the rest of the evening hours, again, not much in the way of precipitation. I think most of what we were going to get we've already seen today, which is really just totaled about 2 to 5 100ths of an inch of rain across the northern part of the county. And then we'll continue to clear out as we move through parts of the weekend, and we'll continue with actually nice conditions by early next week. And notice temperatures are going to be soaring into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees for places like Woodland Park. Only a slight chance of a rain shower or two as we roll through early next week, and temperatures are going to be in the 80s for Pueblo. So we're going to be back dancing to the beat of a different drum, to say the least, and overnight lows into the 40s. Notice here in Canyon City, 60s and 70s continue for the forecast. Upper 70s by early next week. A dry and warm stretch of weather ahead, but it does mean we're going to have to watch that fire danger into early next week, especially with the drought monitor that continued to show signs of severe drought across the eastern plains as of the latest update that we got in yesterday. We'll talk a little bit more about that and how long this warm weather sticks around coming up in just a few minutes.
Looks so refreshing, Mary. Thank you. Day one of the 2020 NFL Draft is in the books, and day two begins